I'm gonna show you how to fry this beautiful Longhorn Prime ribeye steak. My pan is already heating, so I'm gonna season it with some salt. I won't put pepper because the pepper might burn. We're ready to go. Don't shuffle the steak on the pan. You want the steak to first stick on the pan so it gets that nice crispy coating, which is gonna close its pores and keep all that beautiful juice inside the steak. We're gonna fry it for about 2 minutes on the first side. So this side is really more of a kiss. So we're gonna go for about 30 seconds on this side. Clear juices that are starting to come out, which means that it's getting to a good level of medium. A small trick from my family would be now right at the end, add a small cube of salted butter, and I'm gonna let it rest for a couple of minutes before I slice it. So it's beautiful and pink inside, lovely and juicy, just as we like it. And you're gonna love this next beefy tip. So click here.